Securities Act. The Securities Act is a foundational piece of United States federal legislation passed in 1933 that regulates the initial public offering and sale of financial securities to investors. It is commonly referred to as the Truth in Securities Law, or simply the 1933 Act. Enacted in the aftermath of the 1929 stock market crash, this law was designed to restore investor confidence in financial markets. What are the two primary objectives of this statute? First, it requires corporations to provide full and honest disclosure of all material facts before offering shares to the public. Second, it strictly prohibits deceit, misrepresentations, and fraudulent practices in the sale of financial instruments. Under this law, companies must file a detailed registration statement with federal regulators before launching a public offering. While this specific statute is American, the UK, Europe, and Australia enforce identical transparency principles through Financial Services Acts, prospectus regulations, and corporations laws. For example, consider a fast-growing technology company that decides to raise capital by selling shares of its stock to the general public through an initial public offering. Before the company can legally advertise or sell a single share, the Securities Act requires its executives to draft and file a comprehensive registration statement and prospectus. This document must accurately disclose the company's financial ledgers, current debt obligations, and potential business risks. If the executives intentionally hide a massive unpaid debt from this public prospectus, they face severe criminal prosecution and civil liability for violating federal securities laws.